To start, pull the side lock outward to unlock the frame, then lift the handlebar until the stroller fully clicks open. Slide the rear axle into the frame until it clicks. Make sure the brake levers are facing the back. Wrap the storage basket straps around the rear axle and snap them securely into place on both sides. Remove the cotter pins from both ends of the axle and set them aside. Slide each back wheel onto the axle with the smooth side facing out. Insert the straight edge of the cotter pin through the axle hole. Press the hubcap on until it snaps, then repeat on the other side. Push the front wheels into the sockets until they click. Press the cup holder and phone holder onto the mounting points near the handlebar until they snap into place. Unfold the seat and flip it over so the mounting points face upward. Each side has 2 tubes. Slide the smaller tube fully into the larger one, then snap the seat fabric around the tubes to secure it. Snap the seat wire into its slots under the seat, then pull the seat fabric over the wire so everything sits smooth. Buckle the strap underneath the seat to secure the frame, then tighten it slightly. Insert the canopy wires on both sides of the seat, then secure the Velcro tabs along the back so the canopy sits evenly. Insert the armrests of the child tray into the slots on both sides of the stroller until they click.